Hey y'all, welcome to another video. This is a hair review from Luvme Hair. They have affordable luxury wigs and hair. Yes, so let's get into this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for future videos, and comment below. Let me know what you think and hit that bell notification for future videos. All right, here we go, shawty. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell for future videos, comment below, let your girl know what you think of the video, and then also, yeah, subscribe to the channel because, you know, I need more family members, okay? I need more people. So yeah, let's get into this review from Luvme Hair. Yes, let's get into this. Child of God. Alright guys, so it comes with this cap that you put over your edges to keep your edges laid and slayed while you're sleeping. It comes with an edge brush so that your edges can be controlled while you're doing them on your wigs. Yes, and it comes with this Luvme pen. I saw this, I was like, I want this. Then it comes with this Luvme pen, this cute sparkly bling 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 Luvme pen, okay? And then also it comes with tweezers just in case you need to do a little extra something to your wig. Also it comes with pins. Yes, and then also comes with an extra strap just in case you need extra protection for your wig. Okay, all right. And this comes with the instructions, and I will be reading the instructions to you guys while I'm putting my wig on. Okay, here we go, shawty. Here we go. Let's get into this. So you guys, this hair is human hair pre-plucked glueless 360 wig. So you guys, you can part it any type of way. There is a part right now, right here. Let me show you guys so you can see it. Can you see it? Yup, there it goes. There it goes. You can see it. So it is a glueless wig right here, and then you can like, you know, if you want to, you know, make it look, you know, more like your skin tone or whatever, you can. So I'm gonna show you what the wig entails. And everything, it's not even shitty at all, really, to be honest with you. This is good hair, okay? This is very good hair, and I don't wear a lot of wigs. And when I do, they're for my story times and for my mukbang videos. So yeah, so this is the strap that it comes with right here, just to tighten your wig up, just to keep a little tight piece. And then also, the wig entails 1, 2, 3. She has 4 clips, 4 pins to clip your hair in on your head to keep it in place right here, and everything is going to be secure. We're going to find out everything's going to be secure, okay? Period. Because when you pull up, you need to pull up and you need to be cute, shawty. All right, period. So yes, she is a brown color wig. I love the color. I was like, I need me a cute brown hair, okay? Period. I need me something cute. Y'all see her? She is just gorgeous right here, just gorgeous. So we're gonna put her on, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what she looks like when I'm done. All right, period. Pull up. If y'all like what you'll see, comment below. There will be a discount in the description box below called mid-23, 23% off discount, mid-23, and they need to sponsor me so I can have my own discount code, okay, period, because I'm gonna start doing more hair videos and more hair reviews, okay? Any type of reviews, you know, that people want to see, females want to know about, I'm gonna do it, okay? All right, let's pull up. Let's get this together, okay? Let's be cute. Let's get cute. It's 4th of July. We need to pull up. Okay, we need to pull up to that barbecue. Okay, period. Let's go.
All right, you guys. So this hair is 360 lace frontal human hair. It's color brown because I wanted it brown. And there's a discount code. If you use the code mid-23, you get 23% off on your first hair wig. So that'll be in the description box down below. They need to sponsor me because really, yeah, I'm going to be getting a lot of their wigs and showing y'all different types of wigs that they have on this site. So here's how you hair for your hair wig. So when you wash the hair, better to wash it first. Use warm water and hair shampoo to wash for twice. Then put hair conditioner equally on the hair for 5 minutes. Then wash it with cleaning water. Hair conditioner is very necessary every time you wash your hair. We suggest that you use a high quality hair conditioner. So you guys make sure you use good hair conditioner while washing this hair, okay? No cheap stuff. We need to use the good stuff, period. If you want to blow dry your hair, please blow to 80% dry. Then keep the rest 20% to naturally dry. By this way, it will keep your hair away from drying and frizzy. When you feel the hair is very dry, you can spray the hair with some hair oil. Meanwhile, when you wash the hair, you can pour little hair oil into warm water and put the hair inside the warm water for 10 minutes around. The hair would be more silk and soft comparing before. They don't suggest that you use hair oil every day because the hair oil will make your hair strands dry and hard. We don't want that. And we don't even want that in our own hair, okay? Like, period. If you want your hair curls back, better use a crimping iron to curl the hair according to its original curling shape again, which I need to get one of those, a crimping curling hair iron.
Hey you guys, so this is a finished product. This is a finished hair after she's curled, and she does curl pretty well after you know, if you were gonna install her or whatever you're gonna do to this hair. I didn't have to do too much to the installment. You know, you can put it on without gluing it. It is a glueless wig. It does not need glue. So here you go, you guys. Here's the hair. She's very beautiful. She doesn't shed a lot, doesn't shed. So make sure you guys head over to my description box down below, and I'll give you the discount code for the hair. And yeah, we can be beautiful. We can all be beautiful together.